Saw that, right? Okay. Hey, let's distribute. All right. 5 times b is 5b. 5 times 4 is 20. You can't combine those. Those are unlike terms. Negative 3 times 2x is negative 6x. Negative 3 times 5 is negative 15. Yeah, you know this. 4 times negative 8 is negative 32. 4 times negative 3q is negative 12q. And again, let's try to form good habits now. Typically, the variables would go in front, negative 12q minus 32. And the last one, negative 6 times 2b is negative 12b. Negative 6 times negative 7, positive 42. You warmed up? Are you warmed up? Are you ready? All right. The constant is just like a normal number. Like if you had 12, that's a constant. Now when we're talking variables and stuff, the coefficient is the number right in front of the variable. So if you had 7a, then 7 would be the coefficient, the a would be the variable. And like terms have the exact same variables. So 5x and 10x, they both have x. So those would be like terms. They have to be the exact same variable combination. So name the coefficients, the like terms, and the constants in this. So coefficients, remember, are the numbers in front of the variables. So that would include 3, negative 2 in front of the n. There's a number in front of this n. It's just invisible. It's an invisible 1. And that's it. The like terms, we'll just say LT, that would be like the n's. These are both n's. So we'd say negative 2n and n. Those are our only like terms. And then the constants are the numbers with no variables. In this case, negative 4. So I want you to try it for 3 problems. See if you can name the coefficients, the like terms, and the constants. Pause it here, try it. I will do them right here. Coefficients. All right, so here we have 2 and 4. Here we would just have negative 4. Here we have 9, 2, negative 2, and 1. That's next. Like terms. In this case would be the 4s and 2s. Here, there are none. And then like terms here, the 9m and negative 2m are like terms. Also the 2r and the r. And last one, constants. 6, none, and none. Now you can use tiles to simplify if that helps you. If you look, 2x is represented by 2 bars. We have regular 4, it's just 4 little squares, and then 3x would be 3 bars. So then if you look, how many green bars do you see? Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we'd say 5x plus, how many yellow squares do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is a great tool to keep in the back of your head. Are you going to have time to bust out tiles every time you need to do complex problems later? No, probably not. But it is a nice little hammer in the tool belt. You know what I mean? So we'll try it. Give it a whirl. Use tiles to simplify 3a plus 2 plus 4a minus 1. So let's say, you know what, honestly, let's just make our own tiles. Like, let's make these 3 a's, let's just make them 3 giant a's. How about these for tiles? Plus 2, we'll just have 2 little blocks. plus 4a, and then minus 1. We'll use a red block for that. So let's see, how many a's do we have here? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 a's. And then our plus 1, or our minus 1 cancels out one of our positive ones. So we're left with plus 1. And we should get to a place where we don't need the tiles, which is what we're going to try right now. 5y plus y. Now, if you have 5 y's sitting in your hand, I give you one more y, you have 6 y's, right? That's it. That's all you got to do on this. So always remember, if it's just y or x, that means 1y or 1x. So if there's no coefficient written there, it's an invisible 1. Ooh, invisible. So I want you to try, let's do one of these together, and then I want you to try the other two. So we'll do C together. We have 1p plus 6p minus 4p. They're all p. The letter. Gosh. So if we do 1 plus 6, we're at 7. And 7 minus 4 is 3. 3p. So try out the other two. Pause it here and double check your answers when you're done. 3b minus 1b is 2b. Or not to be. These are both m, negative 4, negative 9. They're both negative. Add them up, keep it negative. 4 plus 9 is 13, so we have negative 13m. Oh dear. We've got to use some deductive reasoning. Okay. All right. Simplify 4g plus 3 times 3 plus g. We're going to have some distribution. Good thing we practiced distributing last time. So first things first, let's go ahead and distribute. 3 times 3 is 9, and 3 times g would be 3g. We'll go ahead and bring down our 4g. Now, what are my like terms here? Would be our g's. We have 4g plus 3g. That would be 7g plus 9. You can't combine g's with regular numbers. That's like bananas and telephones. They're totally different. Bananas and telephones, sing along, bananas and phones. Ring, 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 banana phone. Who knew that was coming? Not me. All right, here we've got m's, we've got y's. So let's check our m's. I have 4m plus m, which again means 1m. So that would be 5 m's. And then the y's, we have 6y minus 7y. 6 minus 7 would be negative 1. But you don't write negative 1y, you write negative y. And that means negative 1y. So try this one out. Distribute, combine your like terms, and then check it with what I have up here when you are done. So pause, try it. Negative 2 times 5 is negative 10. Negative 2 times x is negative 2x. 4x minus 2x is 2x. 3 minus 10 is negative 7. That was fun. That was fun. Wow, that was fun.